Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Yeah. Welcome back. We already got this on. We finished. Well, we ain't finished. We gotta still grind this mess down and get it grind down and primed up and everything. But as you see, the door can open and the door closes. Great. Everything is good. Gotta get this thing a little bit welded up and same. Gotta grind some of this down and then get some Bondu or some fiberglass and smooth it out. And we're gonna be good there. See that? That's right. So we're gonna start on this. I was gonna take all of this out right here, but you know what? I don't think I'm doing that. I think I'm gonna leave this piece on here. It don't look too bad. It don't look too bad at all. So I think I'm gonna leave that on there, and then we're just gonna cut it up good and place this right over there, right on top of it. Weld it down, and we're gonna leave it at that, guys. That's what we're gonna do. Well, of course, I think I am gonna cut this somewhere around, probably at the tip right there of this little cutout right here. So I'm gonna catch it right there at the edge, splice right through it, drill all these top ones out, all these, pull this little cap off, and then there we go. We can put it straight on top of that, weld it in. That's what I think I'm gonna do there, because look at the holes on this thing. That's all the holes I gotta drill out. I'm telling you, my arm is killing me from doing all of these. Down here, all of this one. Yeah, my arm is killing me. So I don't think I'm gonna be doing this. I gotta drill all this stuff out and weld it back up and everything. So guess what? I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna drill these out. Like I said, I'm gonna drill these out, cut it, pull it off, put this back on there, and yeah, we still gotta have to weld all of these though. Still gonna have to weld all of these in, but that'll be it. So that'll be it. Oh, and all of these as well. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And 'cause I'm tired of this car. Yeah, I'm tired of this car. Ready to get it out of here. Yeah, ready to get it gone. Yeah. So that's the update. See you when I'm come back. I think I'm gonna come back when I got all this off. All right. That's the deal. Bye now. Again in the yard.